Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here, if you want to block any unknown number, just tap on the number and then tap on this menu icon, and at the bottom you can find a block option. Just tap on block and then tap on block again, and it's done. Now the number has been blocked successfully. At the top you can find a icon, that means the number is blocked now. If you want to block any contacts, just tap on contacts and then choose any number or contacts and then tap on this eye icon. After that, tap on more option and then tap on block contact, then tap on block again to confirm it, and you can see it's blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock your number or contacts, just go back and then tap on recent option. Just tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here, just tap on block numbers. Now from here, to unblock any number, you have to just tap on this minus icon and then go back, and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.